Paper 1, Chapter 2, ninth class, Polynomials and Factorization Exercise 2.5, and 4th, expanded each of the following using suitable identities. Now, see, solution which is in the form of x plus y plus z whole square, isn't it? As per the identity, x plus y plus z whole square, that is equals to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. This is the identity is useful in this solution. Now this can be written as, see here, x plus 2y plus 4z whole square is equals to x square plus 2y whole square plus 4z whole square plus 2xy. xy means 2 into x into 2y. Next, plus 2yz. yz means 2y into 4z. Next, plus 2zx. zx means z value here is 4z, isn't it? 4z, and x is x only. Now this can be written as, the final answer is x square plus 2 square became 4 y square, 4y square, plus this can be written as 4 multiplied by 2 times 4 for just 16, that means 16z square plus this is 2 into x, 2x, 2 to the 4, x into y, that becomes 4xy. Now this plus symbol is there, use plus 2 to the 4, 4, 2 to the 4, 4 for the 16, 16yz. This is 16yz, y and z is there. And next plus 2, 2 for the 8, 8zx. This is what? 8zx. This is the answer of the given question. Now move to next question. See your solution. So this is which form? A minus b whole cube. This equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. This is one way. See here value of a is what? 2a. Value of b is what? 3b, isn't it? Now see, this means 2a minus 3b whole cube, that is equals to 2a whole cube minus b cube means 3b whole cube minus 3. A means 2a, b means 3b into a means 2a, minus is there, b means 3b, isn't it? Now 2 cube. 2 cube means 2 multiplied by how many times? 3 times. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. That means 8a cube minus 3 cube means 3 multiplied by how many times? 3 times. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. 27b cube minus 3 to the 6. 3 to the 6. 6 3 is 18. 18. A into b becomes ab into 2a minus 3b. This is one way. Another way, or so see here, a minus b whole cube is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. This is another form. See here, that means 2a minus 3b whole cube, that is equals to 2a whole cube minus 3 into a square means what? 2a whole square, and b means what? 3b plus 3 into a means what? 2a. B square means what? B value is, see here, 3b, isn't 3b whole square minus b cube means 3b whole cube. Understood? See here, that equals to, this is 2 multiplied by 3 times, that means 8a cube minus here 3, 2 multiplied by 2 times 2 square, so that means into 4a, here into write 3b as it is. Next plus here also 3 into 2a into, this is 3 multiplied by how many times? 3 multiplied by, sorry, here I am not written a square, so 3 multiplied by 2 times, 3 3 is a 9, 9b square, 9b square. Next what is there? Minus this 3 multiplied by 3 times, 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27 b cube. Now see here, this can be written as 8 a cube minus 3 4 is a 12, 12 3 is a 3 4 is a 12, 12 3 is a 36, isn't it? So 36 a square b. Next plus 3 2 is a 6, 6 9 ja 54, 54 a b square minus 27 b cube, isn't it? This is the another form. This can be changed into this form. See here, that equals to 8 a cube, bring this minus 27 b cube in front. Next this minus, see here, 18 2 is 36, isn't it? Now a square b, isn't it? Next plus here 18 3 is 54, isn't it? Now a b square, isn't it? Now that is equals to, see here, 8 a cube minus 27 b cube minus, bring 18 is common and bring ab is also common, ab. Next see here, here is a, this minus goes inside, that means minus b, isn't it? 18 which a? 2a, remember 2a, here is what? 3, so minus 3b, isn't it? 2a minus 3b. Got it? This and this, right? So up to here is answer over by the second form. Understood all of you? Yes. Now move to next question. See here, this is given, so solution, see, x plus y plus z whole square, that is equals to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. This identity is useful here. See here, x value is minus 2a and y value is plus 5b, z value is minus 3c, isn't it? Now by using this can be written here, minus 2a whole square plus 5b whole square plus minus 3c whole square. Next plus 2xy means minus 2a into 5b, isn't it? Next plus 2yz, y means what? 5b, z means what? Minus 3c. Next plus 2 into zx, so z means what? Minus 3c, x means what? Minus 2a. Now multiply all. See here, even term, so minus gone, that means 2 multiplied by 2 times 2 2s are 4, so 4a square plus 5 became 25, 5 5s are 25 b square, here plus and minus gone, here y even term, so 3 3s are 9, c square. Next, plus into minus minus, plus into minus minus, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, a b, here a is there, here b is there. Next, plus into minus minus, plus into minus minus, isn't it? Now 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30, minus 30 bc. Next, here plus into minus, minus into minus, plus, so here is plus. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 AC. So this is the final answer of the given question. Understand all of you? Thank you one and all.